See, I beveled it and it worked perfectly without any problem.
Balaji.
What, Balaji? Rachit also joining. Keep this thing separate. Shnu is joining. Cut. Unwrap and see. Make sure there's no like unwanted cuts or anything. Oh, it's coming from the back side, I guess.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Yes, tell me.
Balaji is waiting outside. Like,
He joined. Save your file. So this section is not visible, but have a lot of polygons, right? So I'll just fix it now only. Alternative loops, like edge, select, control or shift, collapse edges. But this section is not visible, so there is no point having these many polygons here. Sorry, collapse, all clean. If I want, I can reduce it from here also. Now I have all those area, one scene, only one scene. Cut it, merge, merge, only one scene. Unfold. You can see. So non-manifold geometry, fix it. There must be something layout. Now layout. Now inside this section, I have to stitch this thing together. Unfold. And the center piece, if I want, I can keep it separate, or if I want, unfold. See, perfectly clean. Everything is clean. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Three of them I have, so let's do it. Layout, so that I can see everything. And if I want, I can create one and then duplicate also. But I already have created everything, so I don't want to do that. Choose any of the edge which is not visible. Separate. Unfold. Layout. Unfold and check. Okay, I can keep this part entirely separate. It looks like separate only. Stretch everything nicely. Unfold. Layout. I'm using all default setting. I haven't modified anything yet. Cut it. Cut. Unfold. Layout and check what I'm missing here. Something I missed. Okay, this one. This inside section. I can keep these two together. Done. This it's selected. separated, unfold, layout. Similarly, now this section, edge select, unfold, ready. Now all this section I have to stitch nicely, cut. This is my main cut. Rest everything I should stitch together. Clean, done. Break it, stitch them together. You can see like I'm not even looking at the UVs. I can just checking all these checkers. Rachit is joining. Back side. Break it. Layout. Only thing is, this sim should be somewhere here. Cut. So like this, unwrap everything. So almost everything is like unwrapped. So once all the entire unwrapping is done, okay, I'll just show you. Like hide this one. Hide this and unhide this. So now you can see my everything is unwrapped. Like this section, everything is unwrapped. Before duplicating, I will what I'll do is I will nicely UV map it very nicely, pack it very nicely, and then I will start duplicating my mesh. So like my symmetry parts will be duplicated and UVs will be perfectly overlapped, and then I'll fix it. And just for this section, if I want to layout, you can see if I do automatic layout, this is the automatic layout. This is, you can see this is like way better as compared to Max, and it gives, it's nicely packed, everything is like nicely aligned, and like Yes, I still have a lot of space, but I have a lot of elements pending. So I'll create everything and then fill all the section, and plus all the interior part, I'll reduce the space because those parts are not visible. So I will reduce it. Like this, will reduce and then I'll layout it one more time. And you can see it's better packed now. And yeah, better packed everything. You can see less wastage of UV space. Yes, but there are a couple of manual thing we have to do, like make sure everything is nicely packed, there is no wastage, like as much as possible. So you have to use maximum UV space and fix all the things and tightly pack the entire UV. So it's like this is already nicely packed, but yes, there are little scope. I can remove all the small parts, keep it here, and create empty section here, and then push all the small remaining part there. That I'll do. And you can see my mesh, like there is an inconsistency. This is like mid poly, this is low poly. So I'll add little polygons here, and make them like evenly polygon even polygon throughout the mesh, and do it. And submissions, where are the submissions? If you from this week you have to submit, like there is no this thing you have to submit. Marked attendance, done. The submission I want. So like I'll create the folder for submission. If it's like if you want, you can mail me the submission directly, that also fine. But you have to make your submissions, because I like have seen your files, yes, but there are a lot of like it's not 100% finished. Now you have to UV this and low poly, reducing those like extra loops and everything, matching the volume, and then we'll start baking everything. So make sure do that and then submit this thing. I'll fix some polygons here. I'll fix everything. Yeah. Okay. So start unwrapping your model. Start unwrapping your model and make sure you submit. And if you have any doubts, any query, get back to me. I'll solve it. Okay. Bye bye. I'll see you guys. Yes. So.
Yes.